Hey guys, this is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. I bet you recognize this home. We are returned back for a rewire. You can see we have all of our speaker wire, RG6, our Cat 5e, everything being ran right now. And Grayson's down here stripping back the lines. This customer, for whatever reason, the previous homeowner had pre-wired everything to go here in the living room, like right in the middle of the theater room, and this customer wants us to move everything over to this closet, which makes sense. So we have to extend all these lines to route all the way back behind under the crawl space and out of here. We have a total of 11 Cat 5e lines, as well as 4 coax lines, 2 HDMI, 14 distributed audio zones, and then our 11 speaker lines for the living room surround sound system. We got our work cut out for us. We're going to be terminating everything in this FS series rack, and I'll show you what it looks like when we're finished. Thanks for watching. Here he goes again.
Hello, where are you, my furry friends?
Down into the deep abyss. Good luck, brother.
Alright, nice.
Alright, here we go. The moment of truth. We're going to try to run all these wires that we just extended up, down, into the basement crawl space area, and over to here. It's like a little dead space between the sheetrock, and then there's some concrete behind it. We're gonna try to fish it between there and the stairs. See if we can make that happen so we don't have to go all the way up and over. We'll see. Yeah. What's up? Perfect. All right, guys, well, we did it. Another late night, but we got his surround speakers up off the floor, got all the wiring put in place, got all of this gutted and rerouted down into the attic, or not attic, crawl space, and then we got a rack installed here. Everything turned out super clean. Customer's extremely satisfied, which makes me happy. If you guys would like us to do something like this for you, give me a call, shoot me an email, and we'll discuss your needs. This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Make sure to subscribe down below, and thanks for watching. Let's hear what this thing's got.
Because we are so used to hearing sound this way, we don't notice that it is merely a fraction of what its potential could be. But what if sound could be extraordinary? Again. There's no need to wonder, because you're listening to Dolby Atmos. With Dolby Atmos, audio can precisely move in any direction in this theater. Whether the sound sweeps from the back, to all the way in front, arcs overhead, or moves anywhere in between. Then, you will feel every dimension. How does that sound?
Yeah.
This cap's pretty good.
I'll have to say,